Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to check if iPhone supports eSIM. So, let's dive right in. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is the app with the gray gear icon, typically found on your home screen. Tap on the General section. This will open a new menu with various options related to your iPhone's overall settings. Scroll down to the About section. This section contains information about your specific iPhone device, including its model, software version, and serial number. Locate the Digital SIM section. In this section, you'll find details about your iPhone's eSIM functionality. If you see a 15-digit IMEI number listed under Digital SIM, then congratulations! Your iPhone is fully compatible with the SIM technology. This IMEI number acts as a unique identifier for your eSIM, similar to how a physical SIM card has its own number. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.